An impressive castle, which is the trademark of the beautiful northern city of Kavala. It was an ancient castle that was rebuilt and reinforced several times by the Byzantines, but the current structure is mainly from the Ottoman reconstruction of 1425. From the 5th century BC on, the city of Kavala was surrounded by a defensive wall. This was repeatedly modified over time. Extensive modifications and repairs were carried out after the Roman period by Emperor Julian, then by Justinian, and again in 926 by Basil Cladon, general of the Theme of Strymon. A major modification took place in 1307 during the reign of Andronikos Palaiologos, when the long walls from the sea to the top of the hill were built. The fortifications interrupted the city's water supply, following the earlier model applied by Justinian Anastasiopolis. The Byzantine castle was completely destroyed in 1391 when the Turks captured the city. The castle was rebuilt by Ottomans in 1425, and what we see today is mostly the result of that reconstruction.